Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to use Codeium for SQL queries. Codeium's AI-powered features can help you write and optimize SQL queries more efficiently, so let's get started. First, make sure you have the Codeium extension installed and activated in your code editor. If you have not installed it yet, check out my previous tutorial on how to install Codeium. Now open your code editor and start a new SQL file or open an existing one where you want to use Codeium. As you begin typing your SQL queries, you'll notice that Codeium provides real-time suggestions. These suggestions will appear in a drop-down menu next to your cursor. To accept a suggestion, simply press Tab or Enter button. Codeium will insert the suggested SQL code snippet into your query. Codeium can assist with various aspects of SQL development such as writing select statements, join clauses, and where conditions. It offers intelligent suggestions based on best practices and common patterns. For example, if you start typing a select statement, Codeium will suggest column names and table names from your database schema, helping you write queries faster and with fewer errors. When working with complex queries involving multiple tables, Codeium can provide relevant suggestions for join operations and subqueries, making it easier to construct and optimize your queries. Codeium also helps with error reduction by suggesting correct syntax and flagging potential issues in your SQL code, making your queries more robust and error-free. To customize Codeium's behavior for SQL, go to the extension settings and adjust preferences like the number of suggestions shown, language-specific settings, and many more. Use Codeium's refactoring suggestions to optimize your SQL queries. It can recommend improvements and better query structures to enhance performance and readability. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to use Codeium for SQL queries. This tool can significantly boost your productivity and help you write clean, efficient SQL code. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.